Bro. This is the first theory saber that we will ever open and hold and own. This is packaged very well. Yeah. Listen. Especially when you get down to the wiring details, it's easy to look insanely fake, but holy crap. Whoa. Does it just keep going? It sounds so good. What? Where's it coming? Oh, there it is. Imagine finding someone, you're like, wait, I need my music. Oh, pick your color. Oh my gosh. You hear that? I knew it was gonna be great. I did not realize that that lightsaber could do all of that. Nia, thank you so much. We totally love that. I'm so surprised how cool that is.